Today I'm going to show you one way to wrap the Krown Worthy wrap into a large bun. So let's get started. First, you'll need to get your hair up into a bun on top of your head. This will be the base for your shape. You can make your bun much neater than mine. It'll make this process a little easier. Now you're going to want to unfold your wrap and find the back. The back is where the long cap is attached to the external wrapping fabric, where the fabric is most stretchy. Then you pull the cap over your head. You can push any additional hair sticking out into the cap. Take the additional wrapping fabric and separate them into their left and right corresponding parts, placing them over your shoulder. Now pull on the drawstrings to retract the cap until it is tightened to your hair's length. Make sure to guide your bun into the frontmost section of the cap and tie the drawstrings around the top of your head. Take one of the two ends that are over your shoulder and bring it across your head on a diagonal. Hold it there while you take your other hand to bring the second end across over the first end. Continue wrapping both ends around the back of your head, tying them once to secure the fabric. Tuck any excess fabric into the folds of the wrap. And there you have it, an oversized bun in a few easy steps.